Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be okay in your respective homes. World is facing mighty challenge of COVID-19. All educational institutions are shut. Most economic activities are also shut. One more tension is growing in the world, that is the border dispute between two countries, that's India and China. It is also building or mounting some tension around us. It is better for us to remain inside our homes, stick to the books so that we can crack the coming examinations that shall be taken online in the months of October, or November. By remaining inside the home, it is a home quarantine for us. We will prepare ourselves for the coming examinations, no doubt in it, and also will defeat the COVID-19 infection that is putting heavy amount of pressure on globe and killing people in plenty. Dear students, I am taking your two chapters simultaneously, one the quadratic equation, another the surface area, and today it's the turn of surface area exercise 13.1, question number 9. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. Its figure is also given if the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters and its base radius is 3.5 centimeters, find the total surface area of the article. Dear students, for minimizing the communication gap, I will solve this mathematical problem for you in Kashmiri language so that the things will reach to you in actual form. Dear students, a article of banan, एक cylinder मज आव काढन हेमोसेफियर हेमोसेफियर गो नेस्प सेफियर आय मज काढन इतकन पेठ तत बंद हेम मज आव हेमोसेफियर काढन इतकन नाव आर्टिकल बनान ने पेठ रूद अत हेमोसेफिरिकल एंड बंति रूद अत हेमोसेफिरिकल एंड युस इस हाइट छमच सिलेंडर ये 10 सेंटीमीटर इस बेस रेडियस 3.5 सेंटीमीटर क्योंकि बेस रेडियस हेमोसेफियर सिलेंडर तम कड़न टोटल सरफेस एरिया आर्टिकल आसान क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन हाइट ऑफ सिलेंडर कचा इट इज गिवन 10 सेंटीमीटर यह दिथ बेस रेडियस ऑफ सिलेंडर यह गो रेडियस ऑफ हेमोसेफियर तो गो यह कोता 3.5 सेंटीमीटर तह क्या कड़न यम आर्टिकल टोटल सरफेस एरिया वो टोटल सरफेस एरिया of the article, yam article of total surface area. So go tell curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of two hemospheres. Acha zo hemosphere lagit peth te ban scoop karne te maz. Yamuk nera 2 pi r h. Yas nera 2 pi r square. Çünkü am z demo zarus. 2 go 2 है पायस तिमोस पात पानस वैल्यू यानी आज दुन वैल्यूज 2 बटा 7 r 3.5 h दा 2.3.5 तिमोस 2 से जर सो 7 बेशत पाय सत अत लग 10 से जरा ये गो तल 70 पाय प्लस 2 2 go 4 यानी ये 2 तो ये 2 go 4 पाय थावन इथे कन बे गो इथे कन 3.5 into 3.5 3.5 to 3.5 go 12.25 यानी 3.5 अगर 3.5 जरा में क्या आर शुद्ध आई फिर ये 12.5 लाइक 4 से जरा 12.5 जर भी 4 ये गो 55 बे क्या शायद से पाई तो मतलब योर का नहीं उधर 7 पाई प्लस 55 पाई यानी 7 पाई प्लस 55 पाई हम क्या से गए हम करो ऐड 9 गो 9 7 सोल आकात कुरू पाई चूंकि मे वो लास्ट पे दिमोस पायस वैल्यू इम पाई कर इस्तेमाल 2 बटा 7 गो तेल 119 जरबी 2 बटा 7 सटो कथर 7 1 जाव 7 1 जाव अद्रा 4 7 7 जाव ने अद्रा तेल 2 जरबी 7 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 14, tago 15. 1 twos are 2, 1 twos are 2. 4, 5, 5 जगह 7, zeta गई 3. 374 centimeter square name area. His area is hemish near as a two-dimensional. Dear students, the problem got solved for you. In case of any query or confusion strikes your mind, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number, and your query shall be answered within short duration of time. Even you are free to post your query on my email, that is kgm38864 at the rate of gmail.com, and within a very short duration of time your confusion or query will be answered. Before leaving class, dear students, I am advising you to remain inside your homes, prepare yourself for the coming examinations, do practice mathematics, and also give due time to the other subjects so that you can crack your examinations with a huge margin, and you can also defeat COVID-19 infection. Be balanced. Thank us.